What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm going through this bin and going to start prepping it to get ready to harvest the castings. So here's where the last feeding was. Okay, I think that's the zucchini skin. Okay, some of the paper. I'm just going to keep that for the new feeding area. The cucumber skin. Like I said, I'm taking out the larger pieces of paper that I see and can grab kind of easily. That'll go in the new section. Yep, the worm's going into the corn on the cob. Pretty cool. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, it basically packs in pretty thoroughly, so it is a little moist, but I'll start, like I said, not feeding this side at all and just feeding this new area where I'm putting the bedding. And here it is. I added a little bit of peat moss, the shredded cardboard and brown paper bags, and I put a little bit of the azomite and eggshell into this mixture. I guess I have a little bit of casting still over here. I'm going to even add a little bit more just to help the bedding start to get some bacteria in it. I'll have to make sure I leave a little bit on the bottom so I can get it going here. Last bit of stalk of the celery, some lettuce scraps. They should go very quickly. Piece of eggplant, and then a couple pieces of watermelon. And then I have a little bit of juice, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of pour that on on the new bedding. I did wet the bedding down last night, so hopefully that helped you know, kind of start breaking the cardboard down and get the peat moss completely wet. Go ahead, add some of the azomite. And ground eggshell. Deciding to add another handful of bedding right on top. That was not moistened, but it should go ahead and get wet with the feeding. And to top it off, I'm going to use a little bit of the worm chow, and you can see I'm starting to run low, so I'll have to make some more of this up. Cornmeal, flour, ground up oats, and a little bit of ground eggshell. Okay, cover that up. We'll kind of try to flatten this out a little bit so I don't have a super huge mountain over on that side. What I'm hoping to have happen is get the worms from over here to travel where the food is, and as this dries out some and less worms are there and more worms are over here, then I can harvest this side and then add bedding to basically get this bin reset. So thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.